So, Aji, we are equally excited that we'll be visiting different towns in India to conduct this digital workshop.
Right.
But one thing I'm a bit apprehensive about is what we have learned over a period of last 14 years to 16 years.
Right.
Is it possible to deliver all that knowledge in one session in 6 hours?
Absolutely. So this is an absolute valid question, and in fact, like I do trainings at different levels. So I was at Jakarta, and we were training this MBA college for only 3 days, and whereas I have taken trainings at different places, it's for 7 days, and sometimes 7 days are less, sometimes 3 days are more. So one of the things that we are putting in this training is a unique way of putting a structure around your digital. So once you have structure, any learning that you do will become easier for you to apprehend, or to put together. So that's the whole idea. It's not about giving you details on how to go into details in AdWords, but we will give you the link where you can go and read more about it. Where does SEO fit into your overall strategy?
Right.
Should I do SEO? Should I hire right SEO people? So we are giving you a full structure. So that framework is not a framework where we have borrowed from someone else, because we feel that India is the best place for doing digital marketing, whereas internationally people have done amazing SEO, PPC, social media, but separately. But at digital India, you can have a larger team to work on digital mix, and agencies in digital in India can create better value and better structure. So this structure is absolutely a creation of ours, which we are ready to share with people, because our idea is to give you more knowledge. More knowledge in the system will help them understand how to select the right companies, how to do more digital, better digital, and it's a win-win situation for all of us. And
Right.
I certainly feel we can learn in 8 hours, 6 hours, and then we will certainly be spending more time one-on-one as
So
well.
basically, it's very important to create the plan in pen and paper. Then anyone can construct a building on it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's the fundamentals.
It's fundamentals.
Absolutely. And in fact, we will be talking about creatives, we'll be talking about fundamentals of creatives, and anything and everything that you do has to be very logical. And that's what we're going to do it. And we will help you with the document and structure. Whatever we have learned in 14 years, of course, there is 10 to 20% nobody can learn, that is experience and exposure. But around 80% of the things can be learned very easily with structure. And that's the whole idea of this workshop. And hopefully everyone will enjoy it,
Yeah.
and everyone will get new knowledge about it. So excited for that.
Yeah, guys, see you.